Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Muhammad Yasin and you're watching my YouTube channel. As you know, we have started a new series of videos on Pakistani exports and industries. Today, I'm standing right in front of one of the surgical company of Pakistan, and the name of the company, location of the company, the process, the portfolio of the products, and the people behind the whole show you will watch through this video. So stay tuned and watch this video completely. Viewers, the name of the company is TRIMED Pvt Ltd, and the location of the company is basically it's situated in the city of Sialkot, that is one of the industrial hub of Pakistan. The specialization of this company is basically surgical instruments of all types with retractive systems. Now viewers, let's have a quick look of the location of the company. So basically we are standing right on the verge of Sialkot International Airport. Sialkot International Airport is just 1 kilometer away from this beautiful company. The airport is, you can say, 15 kilometers away from city of Sialkot and about 100 kilometers away from Lahore city. So viewers, basically this is a medium-sized company. It's not a small-sized company. It's a medium-sized company, a medium to large, you can say. And we'll have a quick tour of the key processes of the setup because it involves 18 to 20 processes in this making of surgical instruments. So we cannot cover the whole processes. We'll run through the key processes, and also we'll go through their offices and then the key people who are running this company. Viewers, we have one of the director of the company with us, Dr. Gohar Iqbal. Assalamu alaikum, Dr.
Assalamu alaikum, Yasin Saab. Welcome to TRIMED Pvt Ltd.
Thank you very much.
Let's have a look. चलते हैं अंदर, चल के देखते हैं what we are doing right now and what type of instruments we are manufacturing and what we are doing to serve the humanity. Now we are in the offices of TRIMED Pvt Ltd and meet our director production, Kashif Iqbal. Hello.
So viewers, let's have a quick look of their offices. Beautiful offices, I must say. I really appreciate the company. So here they receive their foreign guests. The guests, they have the beautiful lobby here. You can see people can wait here, and then they also have a small table there just to entertain the guests. And this is one of the office of Dr. Gohar Iqbal. So let's have a quick talk with Dr. Gohar Iqbal.
You are right now in my office of Dr. Gohar Iqbal. I am the Director Sales of TRIMED Pvt Ltd. We are manufacturing surgical instruments along with of all types and retractor systems. We have a very good market in the world, and we are exporting globally, worldwide, and we have a very good market in South America and Europe and Far East and etc. We are specializing in surgical instruments of all sorts, retractor systems, microsurgery instruments, and we also do customized manufacturing for our very special customers. And we are globally present in many different exhibitions. We are doing it at America, Arab Health, Hospitalar, in China, in Korea. So mostly we are present worldwide every year in different sorts of exhibitions which are present in different sorts of the different regions. And now we will be having a look of our factory, and above all we are now medium to large enterprise, and we try to cater the instruments on with our own branding as well as on OEM manufacturing. Thank you.
So viewers, this is the first process of any manufacturing company where the company stores its raw material. So we are in the store of TRIMED Pvt Ltd. Dr. Gohar Saab.
Yes, this is our strength. Basically, we have a good amount of raw material as well as semi-finished instruments. So this is where the key strength of any company lies on and depends on. So we have a very good, forgings. The forgings are produced by ourselves as well as even supplied from our esteemed customers. And here we are looking in the inventory, so we do the stock of all the things which are used in-house along with for the manufacturing of surgical instruments.
So viewers, this is one of the key process of this surgical unit that is called passivation. So I'll ask Dr. Gohar to just brief about this process.
Yeah, this is one of the key critical processes for the manufacturing of surgical instruments. This is called passivation. Here each and every instrument is being passivated, so to make sure that it works efficiently and there is no problem of any rust or any other problem in the instrument when it's used in the operation theater.
Can we have a quick look of the product that is being
Yes, these are all, this is a critical process as I told you before. So, there are different steps through which the instruments is passed, and at the end of the day, it's when it comes out. So we can be, quite confident that it will be passing all the tests and it will be effectively used in the operation theatre.
So viewers, as I shared already to you that there are 18 to 20 processes in this setup. So we cannot cover in this video particularly the whole processes. So we are just going through the key processes. Already we have seen already one of the process. Now we'll ask Dr. Gohar what is actually this process called. So basically these are the lathe machines and the workers are working on the lathe machines.
So we are right now in the workshop. We have all sorts of lathe machines and milling machines, and in these machines we have the manual machines and of course the CNC machine which will perform automatically. We just give the job to the machine and it performs itself. So here we can have some look of the CNC machine which is right now doing some job.
Alright, so this is state-of-the-art machine?
Yeah, this is one of the state-of-art machines which are right now used in the surgical industry, and we have deployed this machine for the manufacturing of instruments.
So this is basically the conventional machine?
Yeah, these are manual machines.
Manual machines. Alright, thank you.
Thank you. We are right now in the final setting and quality control department. Here each and every instrument is looked thoroughly for all types of defects, and then it's finally set, and then it's packed. And over here we also have in-house the gold plating process, which is done with the gold plating solution, which is imported by us. And these all processes which you can see right now, they are done in-house.
So this gold plating thing, the material for the gold plating that you import?
Yes, that's come from Germany.
Okay. It must be expensive.
Yes, this is basically done to ensure the 100% quality of the gold plating.
Okay, alright, beautiful.
We are right now in a inventory room, and this is where our strength lies, because we keep a good amount of inventory with us. This helps us a lot when it comes to supply the orders on time, and we try to keep each and every product in-house in the inventory. And you can see it goes from like tweezers to the hospital hollowware and microsurgery, neurosurgery, you name the product, and we used to keep it in our stock. So each and every product is quite well maintained, and we try to have the minimum quantity of each and every product in stock.
So this is how they store their finished products. So you can see the tags displayed on each of the boxes. So viewers, here the inspection is going on. The workers inspect each and every product, instruments, whether they meet the standards as per the order of the customers. So here you can see one of the worker is checking these instruments. So very carefully he is looking at them. So you can see the whole department is basically inspection department. So viewers, this is called laser etching. Laser etching, you can say easily stamping through laser. So this guy is basically stamping through laser. We'll see how it works. So you can see the laser lights bombard on the scissor. So viewers, this is the scissor without stamping, and here you can see the stamp is embossed through laser etching. You can see the stamp over here of TRIMED.
TRIMED Private Limited is actually manufacturing like 14,000 different sorts of surgical instruments. And right now we had a look on the factory, and now I would like to explain that we are manufacturing in high quality instruments. We are open. We are we have a much more space for accommodating new customers, and I welcome the new coming people and the companies who are interested to cooperate with us. And from TRIMED, we will like our best to give you the best service, the best quality, the best prices, as well as the quality. Thank you so much for having a look on and having a view on the TRIMED factory. Thank you very much, Yasin Saab, for coming from Islamabad along the way to visit us and having a brief chat with us and to know more about TRIMED products. And it was really our pleasure to meet you in person, and we wish you all the best for your coming projects in which you are trying to highlight the positive aspect of the Pakistan as well as the Pakistani made products. Thank you so much.
Viewers, this was a review video of TRIMED Private Limited. The company exports surgical instruments. This company is based in the city of Sialkot, one of the industrial hub of Pakistan. Hopefully this video will be beneficial for especially for foreign buyers and general public at large. This was Muhammad Yasin from city of Sialkot. Hope you like this video. Allah Hafiz.